Hi, I'm Prerna Reddy. I am the Senior Consultant Audiologist at Harika Hospitals, Vanasthalipura. Today we are going to talk about Bera, Brainstem Evoked Response Audiometry. This is an electrophysiological test. It means that you are taking response of hearing the auditory centers of the brain. The areas in the brain which is responsible for hearing, we are taking the response from those centers without having any participation of the patient. This test is generally done for children who cannot give response by telling us that they can listen or not with pure tone audiometry. For people who have lower intellectual capability, or for adults who we are not able to get the correct response from pure tone audiometry. Bera is a test done by placing electrodes on both the ears and on the forehead. We also connect those electrodes to the software where we elicit response from the patient. For the test to be done, the patient should be sleeping. For children, when we do Bera, we give instructions to the patient one night before that the child should sleep very late at night, wake up very early in the morning, take a head bath and eat some good food. So when the child comes to our center, the child falls asleep and we can get the good responses. In case if the child is not sleeping while doing Bera, even after following all the instructions, we will give them safe medication according to the child's age, which will help them to relax and to fall asleep. In Bera, we get some peaks. The response of Bera is in waveforms. The waveforms explain to us the degree of hearing loss and the type of hearing loss. Bera is a confirmatory electrophysiological test. So if we are not able to decide on the degree of hearing loss, if the patient is not giving consistent responses, we always opt for Bera.